Imagine you're in the middle of enjoying a great playlist in MPV, and suddenly you realize you want to toggle the repeating feature on and off. Well, my friend, that's where the problem rises. Sure, you know about the loop playlist option when launching MPV, but what if you want to toggle it while the program is running? The Shift+L shortcut is handy for repeating the current file, but it's not quite the same thing. So, how do you solve this dilemma? Now, let's delve into the solution. One neat trick you can use is to treat most MPV switches as commands that work within key bindings. For instance, by using Alt+L cycle loop playlist, you can seamlessly switch the looping feature on and off as the cycle command runs through all its values. This nifty code snippet can be added to your input, the cell1f file, for easy access. Problem solved with just a simple key combination. Expanding further on the solution, if you prefer a more straightforward approach, you can go for Alt+L cycle values loop playlist infno. This variation ensures that you only alternate between turning the loop playlist on and off, without the additional nuances of cycling through all possible values. It's a precise and efficient way to handle the repeating conundrum within MPV. With these key bindings in place, your playlist control just got a whole lot easier. In summary, managing the repeating function in MPV playlists doesn't have to be a hassle. With a clever use of key bindings like Alt+L cycle loop playlist and Alt+L cycle values loop playlist infno, you can effortlessly toggle the loop feature on and off while enjoying your favorite tracks. So, go ahead, try out these tricks, and take your playlist experience to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite music playlist. Sharing is caring, after all.